Hey friends!
Hey, Sam.
So we wanted to come on today and talk about Christmas trees. So most people this time of the month or year are putting up Christmas trees, and sometimes you might have artificial trees and sometimes you might have a real tree. So we went the other day and purchased our tree. We went to the mountains and did that, and then went to Daniel Boone Inn and ate. And it was
And they had the best food, and I like the toilet cake, so
dessert. Yes, he got the chocolate cake and it was really rich, but it was really good.
And my sister liked the strawberry cake.
She got the strawberry cake, and it was pretty good too. It had really big strawberries on it. So we just thought we would come on today and give you some of our tips for Christmas trees. So everyone wants their Christmas tree to smell good. And
because Mama,
so you want your tree to really smell good. Hey, Mandy, you want it to smell good, whether it's artificial or real, and you don't want it to dry out because then you have pine needles like everywhere, right? And you're vacuuming like all the time. But if you're like me and you have a ton of kids and 2 dogs, you're probably vacuuming it all the time. Anyway, so we want to keep it alive and healthy as long as possible, right?
yeah.
And not dry.
So,
Because also a dry tree is very dangerous. So
so Mama did
this is for the artificial tree, okay? So what we do for our live trees is we get our cup of water,
and a cotton ball.
and we do get a cotton ball for the artificial tree.
And some oars.
Okay. So for the real tree, what we get is thieves,
Yeah.
and we put a drop of thieves in our water. So put our thieves in our water.
And then we did a cotton ball.
No, that's for the other tree. He's such a big helper today. So we put a drop of thieves in the water and then pour the water into the tree, and it's going to absorb the thieves. Now, I can tell you this helps with trees so much. It also helps with cut flowers. And I have even had cut flowers that were delivered to me, and I've put them beside of my diffuser, and they ended up lasting forever. Like, I just was like beginning to wonder if they were ever going to die. So if you do put thieves in your diffuser near your tree, it's going to help also. But I suggest putting it in the water and then adding it. Now, for live trees, you want to make sure that you keep them watered all the time. Always keep water in them. And do not put them near a vent if at all possible.
Yeah, because if you put it near it, then it will burn the tea.
It'll dry it out.
Yeah, and it will
So the vent will dry it out. And also try not to put it near
here.
a heater or a window where the sun is going to shine in on it, because
it will
dry it out.
die out too.
And we want to prevent dry out. So that's what we're doing, is preventing all
and
that.
always has a rope, because if the tea stalls are used to just throw it and wrap it.
Yeah, we kind of just about had an accident with our tree a
Yeah.
couple times while we were decorating it.
I
It wanted to
was-
lean and
but
just
I-
about fell.
But I told it one time.
Chandler did catch it one time.
So I dabbed onto one of the bances
Yep.
and I told it.
So those are the tips for a live tree. All right, I need you to stop 1 minute. Is to keep it hydrated. Don't put it near vents, and don't put it near the sun. And then add thieves to your water. Okay, so add thieves to your water. Also, things that you can add to your water that a Christmas tree loves is to add some pink Himalayan sea salt and sugar.
And sugar, yeah, they love.
Christmas trees love sugar, and if you add a little sugar, it will absorb that, and that will keep it lasting a little longer. Now, what we do for our artificial tree, come on, Chandler, my helper today is coming with me. For the artificial tree, we normally put our artificial tree up sooner than we do our
Big
our
tree.
real live tree. So we will actually put pine.
And this isn't a really real tree.
It's an artificial, correct?
Yeah.
So we will actually put pine
Yeah.
on a cotton ball,
Yeah.
and we will put it in the tree.
And we will put it like and dab it and put it. Right
Yes,
in the
we'll put it in the tree, and then it will put off that pine smell, and it just
and it's so
smells like Christmas.
good.
It smells like Christmas, and we love Christmas. And if you have Christmas spirit oil, oh my gosh, it smells so good. We diffuse Christmas spirit all the time because it just puts us in a happy, Christmassy mood. Yep. What's your Christmas mood? Super excited. All kids like Christmas, right? So don't we always want to be like Christmassy
And
all year
I
round?
will show you my list, but I already gave it to Sam.
You
Okay.
sent it with the elves, didn't
Yeah.
you? He sent his Christmas list.
Yeah.
List.
I will show you after. I will show you our elves after Mama
We'll
life.
have to show you our elves sometimes because they're a little bit silly and they make a
Yeah.
mess in our house. But anyway, that is our tips today for the Christmas trees. So salt, sugar, lots and lots of water, no sun, no vent. And then for your artificial, which is simple, you just put some oil on the cotton ball and put it in your tree. And then you smell it fine. Well, it's kind of hard to do because I'm holding the camera today.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. But anyway,
And I could hold it somehow.
yeah, he is a big helper.
Can I
So
hold it
you guys have a great day,
Can
and
I-
we'll talk to you
no,
later.
No, I want to show them how you do it.
Okay, here.
So I-
So he wants to show you how easy it is. Now, here, you hold this. Hold the cotton ball. You want to hold the cotton ball or the...
I'll hold it down.
You can hold, oh no, this is going to be dangerous. All right, you're going to hold it down here. We're going to get open, close, and personal here up in Mama's face. Okay, so here, I've got it open. Okay, so you hold the cotton ball. He's going to show you. Okay.
So you just dab it
Oh, well, you can do that, yep. Or you can turn it up and watch. It will just drop. Hold it down. There we go. And we'll put that in the tree.
And then
Oh, it smells so good. I use it when I mop too because it just smells so good when you mop. Right under there. And it's good to go.
yeah, and then when the cotton ball dies out, you take it out and replace a new one another day.
That's right. You just replace it or add more oil to it.
Yeah.
All right. How many drops? For the thieves or for the pine?
Yeah, you could put 2 or
For the pine and the artificial, I would do about 2. For the thieves in the Christmas tree, I do about 1 drop of thieves per day. So that's my rule of thumb. And that's what works for our tree and for us. All right, guys. I hope you all have a great day.
And make sure you have your long ropes for your baby.
Yeah, and ropes that come on the trees are awesome because your kids play with them.
Yeah, because they don't bake either.
All right, can you tell them bye?
Bye, guys.
Bye.